Hey friends, for math today, you are going to need to open your book to this page. This is page 307 and 308, 307, 308. So today we're going to be talking about subtraction. So when we think of subtraction, I'm going to write the word subtraction. We are talking about taking something away. Do you remember when Mrs. Hoffman does this with her body? I have a group of things and I'm taking them away from another group. So the subtraction sign is straight like my arm, and we're taking something from a group and we're taking them away from the group to make it smaller. So this is the subtraction sign. This means that we're taking something away, and the group that we have is going to be smaller. So when you look at your paper today, you're going to be doing some subtraction problems. So let's look at the first one. It says 3 minus 2. If we have 3 and we take away 2, oops, I didn't leave enough room so that we could have our answer. Let's write that again. 3 minus 2 equals. So the directions on your math paper say to use your fingers or draw. So when we have our equation, what do we start with? We start with 3. You can get 3 fingers. And how many are we going to take away? We're going to take away 2. So if I have 3 fingers and I take away 2 fingers, I have 1 left. You can also draw a picture. Start with 3 circles. I'm not going to draw 2 circles. That would mean that I'm adding them. I'm not adding them, I'm taking away. So I have 3 circles and I'm going to take away 2. So I'm going to cross out 2. How many circles do I have left? 3 minus 2 equals 1. So I want you to work on the subtraction part right here. Then the next part you're going to do, we're going to look at some other math signs. We've used these math signs before at school. You might not remember them. There is this sign. This sign is the equal sign. That means if we see the equal sign, 3 plus 1 equals 4. That means everything on either side of the equal sign are the same. Is 3 plus 1 the same as 4? Yes. 3 plus 1 is 4. So 3 plus 1 is 4. It's the same as our answer, 4. So they are equal. If we see this sign with a line through the equal sign, that means not equal. That means that in your equation, the two numbers or two parts of the equation are not the same. They are not equal. So on your paper, it's going to show a number and it's going to show some circles. Then it's going to show some circles and some fingers. And then it's going to show an equation with this number on one side and the equation on this side. So you're going to think about, are either of the things on the other side, each side of that circle, are they equal or not equal? So let's look at the first one. There is the number 2, and there are 3 circles. Is the number 2 the same as 3 circles? No. So the first one is done for you, but I'm going to outline it a little bit. It has the equal sign crossed out. That means those two things on that side of each side of the circle are not the same. The next one is the number 5. Is the number 5 the same as 5 dots? Yes. So in our circle, we're going to put an equal sign. Okay, the number 3. Is the number 3 the same as 3 circles? Yes, they are the same. So we're going to put an equal sign. Okay, so you're going to finish these. And then here you're comparing 3 dots to 3 fingers. Are 3 dots the same as 3 fingers? Yes, the number is the same. We're thinking about numbers. Dots and fingers aren't the same thing, but the number of them is. Okay, the last one is a little trickier, so you're going to have to think about this equation. 10 is 10 the same as 2 plus 8? So if we have our 8 fingers, put up 8 fingers, and if we add 2 more fingers, we have 10. So 10 is equal to 2 plus 8. So we have switched our equation, and the answer is here. The equation is here instead of the other way around. So be careful. Solve the equation first and then see if it's the same. Is 5 plus 2 6? So let's get 5 fingers and 2 fingers. If we put them together, do we have 6? We have 7. So we know that 6 is not equal to 5 plus 2. Okay, on the other side, you're going to talk about and think about the word fewer, and you're going to be looking at pictures of dots. So the word fewer, if I have a group of circles or objects right here and right here, which one has fewer, this one or this one? This is the one that has fewer. Fewer means not very many. So you're going to look at your groups of circles. You're going to count the circles, write the number. Count the circles, write the number. You're going to circle the number that is fewer. 2 is fewer than 3. Let's do this one. How many are here? We have 4 circles there. We're going to write a 4. How many circles are here? We have 5 circles. We're going to write a 5. Which is fewer, 4 or 5? Which one is smaller, not very many? 4 is smaller than 5. So you're going to circle the group and the number 4. That is fewer. On the bottom, you're going to start writing with number 11, and you're going to write all the way to the number 30. So start here, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep going until you get to 30. Lots of things to do today in math. If you need some help, find a big person or a brother or sister in your house to help you and have them look at your work and check it. Nice thinking today for math, my friends.